You make everything so awkward. You get in it. I'm in it. You make everything awkward.
Hey, the marshmallow.
You do.
Brie, I'm gonna try it.
Thanks, the rainbow.
Look, Brie, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I'll try it.
So I'm gonna record it?
No, this is... It's gonna hurt. I'm gonna hit my head. Brie got me through the top step and just like trip on the stairs. Come here, I'll fix it. Brie. Let's have Austin.
No, I'll do it. Okay,
Fall
down. Fall down?
No, just jump. What? Jump?
Jump down the stairs.
No, jump.
I'm not gonna jump.
Oh my god.
Stop trying to kill each other.
Okay, here we go.
I'm afraid. I'm not jumping with you.
Just get down on your knees and roll. Oh my
You want
god.
me to drag you?
What's that? What was... You fail, Austin.
No.
What was that, Brie? That was like you completely fail. You just slid down. Answer the phone!
Jesus. I fell upstairs.
You slid down the stairs. Okay, come on. Actually, roll. Oh my god.
Are you trying to kill her?
Yes.
Just stop it! Pick up my phone, Jesus!
Oh my god.
That was a moment.
Okay. Answer it.
Yes?
Oh, I forgot how to the computer. Oh, dang it. Shut up, Brie. Okay.
Daddy, don't stop it.
I'm not.
Okay. Bye.
My mom forgot her. Forgot what? Oh, these things. Okay, let's go.
That's Ethan, her name.
Whatever they're called. And that is my best friend. That's sad.
Don't look at me.
You know you want to check me out. He's mine. Back off. Oh God! I thought he was peeing on you. Austin! Come here! Here.
I'm not talking.
Oh my god! I can't feel my head! I can't feel my head!
Hey, she's
You shouldn't stand in front of the door! Oh my god!
Okay, fine, I'm gonna push you upstairs. Stop!
Brie, roll. Fail, Austin. Brie, just like, go for it.
That's not rolling!
Roll over.
I will!
Just like, literally just roll like a bowling ball.
A bowling ball?
I don't know.
That's what you refer to me as?
Yeah, pretty much.
Go!
Hey, don't hop the blanket! Brie, you almost made me fall. You almost made me fall down the stairs before you. You tricked me.
Well, you picked me!
I know.
My butt hurts now. Wait, did you even catch
Who is humping the blanket?
Yeah, like I said. Did you even get that one?
I have no idea.
No. Do this again. You can get it.
Oh
Dude, you're like over here laughing. Like,
my
that's all
god.
I saw.
Yeah, my foot hurts!
I'm afraid!
Just go! What was that? That was a fail! That was a fail!
Well, I know how to roll them.
Well, you know what? You have to.
You do it then!
No.
Shut up! I think that's not good.
I have a broken knee.
That hurt my head. Like, really bad.
It's cold. Starlight, beautiful thing.
It's only 5.5 minutes. My butt and my head hurt. Don't go downstairs.
I'm watching you. I saw you go over the blanket.
Awkward.
What are you gonna do? It's not in the face! It's clean!
Ow!
No! My sticky toy! Look at it! Look at it! Oh my god! Look!
Don't start eating.
I'm scared! Hey!
I'm a pig.
No! Don't take it! Oh god! Little
I'm gonna find him.
Oh my god, it's still Johnny! Ah! Down! No need sunlight!
Don't hurt my dog.
Oh my god! Breathe! Ow! Oh! No, they're fighting me! They're fighting! Breathe, they're fighting! Ow! Oh! The princess is my hand!
She wants the toy.
No! Steve! You look, I think they're really bad.
She wants the toy.
Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! What?
What did he say?
He's like, don't say wow!
Right there. Watch it. Watch it. Don't kill it.
Oh,
There you go. Good girl. You're such a good girl. That's all. Skip.
Hey, princess! Princess!
Fail. Goodbye. Oh, sorry, Plum. Sorry, Plum. That's so.
Bree, did you see us?
Nope. It's all on tape.
see what I'm doing?
What? That thing. That thing.
Bring, let's go.
Oh yeah. Okay, again. Later.